fishing? On this property? Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, I live right here.
Yeah.
All right.
No, you race right there. Yeah, there's no fishing.
Oh, I was fishing here for like.
You get fined $500.
Oh, I'm not fishing to eat. I'm fishing to just fish.
Huh?
I'm just fishing to fish.
Yeah, you're not allowed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's
All right.
Sorry.
Yeah. I feel like Cliff Fisher. Like right now, people telling me I can't fish here. Yeah. Excuse me. We're going to a different spot. I don't got time for this. And I'm still gonna fish here. On the rooster, guys. Kind of the same thing that I caught yesterday, but yeah. Let's throw him back. Guys, at this point, who cares? She killed the vibe. My line started getting caught up on everything. She was staring at me. I just felt her eyes all on me, bro. It was weird, but I was on a mission. I wanted to catch a big fish, and I didn't because, look, I was catching sticks. Yep. She came back for more. You have to call the office.
Yeah, I told you there's no fishing. You're not allowed to fish in this property.
The other day you told me there's an alligator. Be careful. Now you're telling me that.
Yeah, to be careful because you're talking now.
And I was fishing. I was fishing that day.
You're not allowed to fish.
Fishing every day.
Absolutely no fishing in any of the lakes.
Why can't you just mind your business, please?
I can't. I live here. I pay HOA.
Okay, but alright, as long as I'm not on your side, you should be good. You shouldn't worry about what I'm doing on this side.
It doesn't matter. I work for the HOA. I work for the pond manager.
Okay?
I have to inform them when people aren't following the rules.
Wow. Alright, thank you. God bless you. God bless you.